one is going to come and defend our country except ourselves. A loud and clear no to corruption by whomsoever.
Vice President Chiwenga and Vice President Mohadi not in attendance at the Zanu PF Politburo meeting today, the 28th of August 2025, spread the love by political reporter. The absence of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga and Vice President Kembo Mohadi at today's crucial Zanu PF Politburo meeting has raised fresh speculation over deepening cracks within the ruling party's top leadership. President Emerson Mnangagwa chaired the meeting amid growing concerns that the so-called ZVAITWA faction is tightening its grip on the party and using Mnangagwa's authority to advance its own agenda. Party insiders claim the president, who has been battling health complications, is increasingly reliant on this faction, allegedly leaving the party vulnerable to manipulation. The ZVAITWA are taking advantage of his deteriorating condition to push through decisions that will entrench their influence in the party and the state. One source close to development said, the faction, accused of propping up controversial businessmen such as Wicknell Chivio, has been at the center of accusations of looting national resources under the guise of loyalty to the president. Critics argue that the absence of both vice presidents today was not coincidental, but a sign of deliberate resistance to a process they believe undermines the party's constitutional order. A social media statement circulating on Wednesday accused Mnangagwa of having gone rogue, adding that his reliance on the ZVAITWA faction was proof that he is completely captured. The statement warned that no acts of arrogance will go unpunished, and they shall all soon be dealt with, echoing growing calls from disgruntled party members who are rallying behind Chiwenga as a possible alternative to Mnangagwa. Hashtags such as #Chiwenga4 President, #Jezer Revolution, and #Gori Gudo Guru have since begun trending across digital platforms, amplifying the sentiment of a looming political showdown. While official comment from Zanu PF was not immediately available, the latest developments feed into the broader succession debate within the ruling party as it heads toward its Congress in 2027. For now, the conspicuous absence of both Chiwenga and Mohadi has only heightened speculation that Zimbabwe's political landscape is heading toward another defining moment.